So guys, after mixing that well, this one, you just apply on your face like this. Like that. My son has decided to come and check. There he is. He's the one who normally make noise while I'm making videos. Say hi. Say hi. So as I was saying, this is the best mask ever. If you want to remove skin tan, if you want to tighten your pores, if you want your skin to be glowing, if you want to remove dead skin cells, if you want to treat even pimples, this is one of the best masks. It contains honey, yogurt or fermented milk, wheat flour, just to tighten the face, and also turmeric. As you know, turmeric will treat all your skin condition, and also honey will treat all your skin condition. Please, if you like this video, kindly give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And again, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos that I upload. I upload videos about skincare at home and DIYs. Bye.